never really got to play with any.
No shit.
Yeah, it's like kinds of other cultures, from sweet British to
Yeah, no, that's actually what I said.
yeah.
How fucking diverse it is. Yeah, it's wild. Like, the Ryan is very similar, dude. Super fucking international. Japanese, Chinese, Filipino. Like, it's very diverse. I like that. I like the fucking shared thing. It's like, yeah, shit.
That's where New York is moving
Yeah, it's also where fucking
to
New York
another
is.
level.
Yeah, dude. So it's like, I'm here for another 6 weeks. Then, like I said, I gotta wrap up my shit in New York. I gotta do one for Europe. Maybe closing up I'm gonna work one more year with the business now. And then I'm gonna move out here at like sometime between January and April of next year. And then I'm just fucking here. I'm gonna be looking to do shit. Get it? there's a lot of frustration, and people tend to walk away from the frustration if they myself in this like big band, jazz band song. Like I would have no fucking idea what I wanted to do. Yeah. And so I just kind of like when I went to college, I put it down and I just started doing psychedelics, started smoking a lot of weed, yeah, shit, and just listening. Just really absorbing as much different music as I could. I got fucking and I just yeah, I mean, I didn't know what it was about, this line of what you know, so it's like I can go online and I can look up how to study this and I will find it, like a teacher can be helpful, but really, what really matters is you put your nose to the grindstone, just get familiar with it. Direction. You gotta propel yourself.
Yeah, they catalyze where you want to be going.
Yeah.
Say, I want to be kind of, I love playing, I love this kind of music.
Yeah.
Of course, the basic features that anyone can do.
Yeah, no, you gotta know that shit. It's not fun, but it's like, it helps. It's so that when it's time for you to like imagine something, the truth right in your face.
You're not thinking, oh, I'm going to play a double stroke.
Exactly.
It comes out in the music
where you're like, oh, I want to do a little thing here. How do I do something? Well, what if I throw this in there?
The reaction, I was watching this morning. Victor Wood was like playing nonstop.
Yeah, Victor's insane.
Yeah, but I think his focus on the music.
Yeah. Oh no, he's the most fundamental, so fucking great. Oh yeah, he's like a mini Hollywood.
Yeah. So he was like, okay, guys, play. And I see that play, and it sounded great. Good. They played like 8 bars or something. And he's like, okay, guys, now I want you to do something. Now I don't want you to play. Listen. You're gonna play notes. And they started like kind of it started right away. And then when the notice was and he stopped and he's like, so you're only listening. All this is like man, just listening and reacting. Sure, there's certain parts we need to know. And hold on to the yeah. But even then, like every backbeat of yours, there's such a dynamic range, so many different places. On the snare you can play, there's a rim shot, there's this, that's the thing. So
the way I always try to explain drumming to people is it's like you're doing a dance that requires all 4 of your limbs and you have to maintain time. Like
is
Oh, so you're
very-
putting kids